Blazing a trail, how one Firebreather ignited a global business. It's the story of Brainstorm Entertainment. Here's Deirdre Thomas with this week's edition of the Business Review.
We're always told that there is danger in playing with fire, but perhaps the only danger here is too much entertainment. When Sheldon Donaldson, the CEO of Brainstorm Entertainment, first started firebreathing at 18 years old, he had no idea it would turn into his full-time career.
It's a friend of mine taught me how to do it, you understand, but I usually do like regular dance, like I usually be in a dance group before. I usually get a lot of bookings and he wanted somebody else to, cover some of the shows for him. So, he just called me up and decide to just teach me, and then we just learn it and start doing it.
Now, with over 15 years experience in the business, he leaves spectators just burning for more. As the requests keep coming, Brainstorm Entertainment provides thrilling performances for parties, music videos, weddings, you name it. His unique touch, an impressive array of props, some created specifically for each event, which he revealed cost him 15,000 Jamaican dollars when he just got this venture off the ground.
We basically focus on just fire, the fire show. So we have like different show packages. You understand? So we have like standard fire show, we have the premium, we have the ultimate fire show. So the standard fire show is just me performing with the fire sticks and the fire poise, putting the fire on my skin, breathing the fire. So the premium show, you get all of that, and we had the sparkles.
However, the performer says it took at least 4 years of perfecting his craft before his phone started ringing with serious business inquiries. And while he has become a seasoned professional, fire breathing hasn't been without its challenges.
I was on the stage performing with the fire, right? And we keep on to blow the fire, so the liquid now, kind of run down. So after the liquid run down now, we have a style where like more than just blow the fire and just hold it out, but then the fire just catch right here, so and the beer just catch a fire. But we just wipe it off, but it really hurt.
With 10 staff now on board, Mr. Donaldson says the business has grown 100% as he's booked all year round, taking it to new heights, even across the globe.
As even next month, I'm going to be performing in Philadelphia.
As he spews fire mere inches from his face as he moves to the rhythm of the music, making this art entirely his own, he has even greater expectation for the future.
Just like how I would have, say for instance, like I would have my Black Flame show here in Jamaica, I would want to, bring that show overseas, because it's not just only a show, it's a production. So I would want to bring that overseas, because majority of the times when we're going overseas, it's just me alone.
For the Business Review, I'm Deirdre Thomas.